welcome to One Man's Collection. Today I am looking at another brick build. This is the Mattel Brick Shop Hot Wheels Audi. What model are we? 94 Audi Avant RS2, as it says there. Now I have already built this, and I built it as the road going version, not the rally, but I'm going to have a quick look at the box and then go over the build with you. I actually thought this was awesome. I've got quite a number of Speed Champions. This is what is very similar scale. We have the extra lifter piece that you get with this. We get closed disc for the wheels for the rally version, or the 5-spoke, which is what I'm running here on this one, same as this. So, but essentially I've built this one here. Looking at, we'll have a look at the car. We actually get a metal plaque with this as well. So it's actually underneath the car. So the exclusive metal plaque, metal car and signature plate. On the back, you got the rally version with Hot Wheels. So obviously stickers for Hot Wheels on the back window, Quattro, K&N, Audi Sport with the numbers and the Motul. And what have we got there? K&N. Again, so we're running a 16.5 centimeter long by, what is it, 6.3 centimeters tall. It is a 1/32 scale, according to this. I like it. I actually found it a very good build and a very good quality, and I will keep an eye out for more of these Mattel brick shops when I can get my hands on them. A little bit limited in my area. Quality of the build though, very nice, very smooth. Obviously some custom shaping here. Sticker stuff comes in really nicely. Can't remember, was that a sticker on there or was it 3D print? That's actually print. Okay. Yep, running some rails on the top. We have opening doors. Running a left-hand drive car. I didn't do any conversion to a right-hand drive like I do with lots of my vehicles because I'm in Australia and that's how I would prefer it. I just left this one stock. We do have, let's get a light in there. The dials are actually stickered up on the front there. Very nice. We're running a form of a bucket seat. Get that light down because I can't hold on to that. And I think the door's open for the rear, which is nice. So the way that they've actually done that is quite good, and I can't remember if their back opens as a hatch or you've got to take the top off. I think you've got to take the top off. So I've actually filled up my back area with all the leftover pieces, different exhaust pipes and the likes. Can we get that off? Not easy. Oh yeah, there we go. So just some extra pieces that every kit seems to come with. I put all mine in this back area. Also a extra piece in there. But rather than leave them in the box to rattle around, I think if I were to find another one of these, I'd even consider getting it and putting it in the collection. You do come with a Hot Wheels in the blue with the I'm not sure what they call them, the Aerodesk covers, I think. That is now in my collection with all the other RS4s, or RS2s, I mean. I don't think I have that handy to show off, but I highly recommend getting one of these. If you buy the Speed Champions already, and I actually have more than 50 of them, some of them not yet built. I'll show them off eventually when I get them all on display. I do highly recommend getting this. You will like this build kit. Now, if you are into Hot Wheels and you're interested in Lego and you don't build much, I still think you'd like this. So we have the Mattel stamp on the actual pieces. The rest of this is very smoothed off. I think it's really well done. Underneath there's the metal plaque. So if you're a Hot Wheels fan or a Lego fan, yeah, this is actually pretty good. Short video, just showing off. I've already built it. I'm not going to do the whole build thing. Just to say that this was a most enjoyable enough for me to go. I will keep an eye out for some of the others, especially this most recent release that just come out mid 2026.